G'day, it's Rick from You Can Drive. Got Joe here with me. I just want to talk to you about the coronavirus or Covid-19 stuff and what we're doing about it to keep you and ourselves safe. The first and most important thing is if you've got a cold, a sore throat, runny nose, cough, or any respiratory infections, you need to let us know now, and you need to cancel lessons for the next 14 days while you do your own isolation as you're supposed to by the government. And that's exactly what we will do for you as well. If we have any symptoms, we're going to do exactly the same. But in the meantime, I want to talk you through some of the stuff that we're doing to keep everyone safe. At the end of every lesson, we've got wipes. These are the ones I use. Joe's got his own. And I will simply be taking a wipe out every lesson. And we will be wiping down all the surfaces that may have been touched by a student. So we start with they're nice and wet, so they do get stuck quite easily. We start with the steering wheel, going all the way around. Make sure we're doing the inside of the wheel as well, because we want to catch every possible bug that might have been brought into the car, because even when there's no symptoms, there can still be an infection there. We'll wipe down the indicators, because everyone should be indicating. I know a lot of people don't use them on the roads, but our students do. We'll wipe down the wiper as well, just in case someone's used them by accident, because we often have students that have got the indicators on the other side and they do that by accident. We'll put the gear stick, and we mustn't forget to go into this bit here that puts us into reverse. Don't forget that bit. The handbrake. And just in case you're missing some things, we also need to go down and do the seat adjustments as well. So a lot of students use those down the front there, down the side here. There's two down the side. The controls here. Yeah, we're doing the door handles as well. Getting into the door handle, underneath and all around. Mirror adjustment buttons around the mirror itself, because you should be adjusting the mirrors every lesson. So if you're not, that's a bad thing. Quickly around the air vents, especially if on a sunny day. We'll give the visor a quick wipe. We've got the seat belt, because hopefully everyone's using the seat belts. The release button, the handle itself. Ooh, I'll make sure we're getting everything. We've got the key, because some of you stall, and so you're touching the key as well. And then to finish off, just have a quick look around, make sure I've got everything. I think I have. Outside, do the outside door handle, because that's your first point of contact. Excellent. This will then go in the bin, and at the end of not every lesson, unless we think there's good reason for it, but at the end of every shift, we'll go around with a quick spray throughout the whole car, which gives us I have a nice berry breeze smell when I get in the car first thing in the morning. Not sure what flavours Joe uses, but yeah, we each have our own collection of stuff, and we're here to keep everyone safe. Other things that we're doing for safety is, we can't maintain a 1.5 metre distance in the car, which is a bit awkward. But if you look at the vents here, I have these lined up so that they're creating an effective wall of air between us. Depending on the situations, weather permitting, we do keep windows open a little bit or all the way so that we can create flows of air pushing everything back. So we are in effect creating barriers between us to help keep anything untoward separate from each other. Do forgive us if we ask you at the beginning of your lesson, are you feeling well? Have you got any symptoms? We need to know before you get in the car, because once you're in the car, that means we've got to go into isolation for 2 weeks. We'll look after you, you look after us. It is a hard time for everyone at the moment, and if we get shut down, we get shut down. But in the meantime, we're going to do what we can to keep offering you the great services that we have and get you through your test first go. Catch you later. Thank you.